In today's video, I'm going to be doing my unboxing and first impressions on the brand new Google Pixel 10. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Huge shout out to Google for actually sending out the Pixel 10 for review. This device is going to retail for $799. If you guys do want to pick this up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And of course, there may be some YouTube shopping links at the bottom left side of your smartphone as well. So definitely go ahead and take a look at those if you are interested in purchasing this device. Of course, we have the lemongrass color right here. This also comes in obsidian. It comes in frost, and of course it comes in indigo as well. So a plethora of colors for you guys to choose from. Inside this device, this is going to be powered by the brand new Google Tensor G5, and I believe this is going to be a lot more powerful than the predecessor, the G4. So we have 12 gigabytes of RAM inside of here as well. We have a 5,000 milliamp battery inside of here. We have a 6.3-inch AMOLED 120 Hz display, HDR10 Plus, and we have a peak net brightness of 3000 nits, so huge right there. And of course, we have our Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on this device as well. We do have 30-watt wired charging, and we have a 15-watt wireless charging. For any of the people out there that do want the Google accessories, this is going to be compatible with the magnetic wireless charger, so beautiful to see that in their base Pixel 10. The other thing about this device as well is it is only going to be eSIM compatible, so no physical SIM card inside of here, at least for the United States customers. They did this due to the connectivity restraints of only using a physical SIM, and of course they needed to fit that big 5,000 milliamp battery inside this phone as well. So I think this is a good trade-off for anybody that's complaining about the eSIM. We also have Android 16 straight out of the box and 7 major operating system updates for this, so you guys are going to be covered for years to come. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Slide this out of here. Here is the phone on top right here. We're going to go ahead and put that to the side. Of course, inside we have our USB Type-C to Type-C data cable. We have our quick start guide inside of here as well. And that's pretty much it. And as you guys can see on the front, it says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during phone setup. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how this looks. Alright guys, so here is the brand new Google Pixel 10 in the lemongrass color. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. It is going to be a glossy back, so for the people who do not want fingerprints, of course, a case is going to be your best friend. But as you guys can see, we have a triple camera setup on the rear right here still, even though this is only the Google Pixel 10, the base version of the Pixel 10 Pro. And as you guys can see, even though this is the base Pixel 10, we still have a triple camera setup on the rear. Our main camera is going to be a 48 megapixel wide angle camera. Our secondary is going to be a 10.8 megapixel telephoto, and of course our third is going to be a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. And of course that 10.8 megapixel telephoto camera is going to offer 5 times optical zoom. So great to see it. This is going to be capable of recording up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Right side of the phone, of course, we have our volume up and down rocker. Just above that, we have our power button. Top of the phone, we have our noise canceling mic. Left side of the phone, we have absolutely nothing. And bottom of the phone, we have our speakers and we have our USB Type-C port. I'll go ahead and boot this up and see you guys in a second. Man, look at that color though. Beautiful, beautiful color right there. Another thing is we have IP68 water and dust resistance, so great to see that. We have Bluetooth 6.0 instead of Bluetooth 5.3, which we had last year on the Pixel 9. So nice to see that little upgrade right there. All right, everyone. So we booted up the phone right here. And as you guys can see, this is a bright and beautiful display. It is extremely bright. In real life, you guys are going to notice that this is a very, very bright display. So if you use this in direct sunlight, you are going to have absolutely no issues at all. One of the brightest displays I have ever seen in person. This is absolutely 3000 nits for sure. Some companies lie, but this company is definitely not lying about this. Also, display looks great, beautiful AMOLED display. Stock Android, of course, this is a Pixel device, so we get all of those artificial intelligence features that people know and love. Of course, if you hold down the home button right here, you're going to get that circle to search feature right here. Beautiful to see it. We have Gemini on the home page as well, that little Gemini widget. Cool. If we go to our drop down bar menu right here, of course, we have our internet, we have our Bluetooth, our flashlight, we have modes, we have alarm. Let's go ahead and turn off airplane mode right there. We have our Google Wallet. We have our auto rotate right there. We have our cast right there, native screen recorder inside of here as well. And if we want to go and add some of these things down here, It looks like we have location, hotspot, data saver, color inversion. You guys can change it from light to dark theme if you want to go ahead and change that. We also have our font size. We have sound amplifier and a bunch of different stuff down below if you want to go ahead and add that to your quick toggle settings. If we swipe down on the left side, that's going to bring up our notifications. Definitely love the layout of this so far. And also, I might add, this is one of the nicest wallpapers. If not, this is the nicest wallpaper I've seen on a phone boot up screen. Beautiful wallpaper, Google. Great decision. I think I'm going to keep this as my own. Going into the camera section right here, we have many things. And this is one of the reasons why people buy Google Pixel devices, is because they have such great cameras, even on the base model Pixel 10. We have our portrait mode in here. We have Add Me if you would like to add yourself to a photo, which is a fun little feature that you can use with your friends. We also have long exposure right here. Teaches you how to use that. We also have action pan, focuses on a moving subject and adds creative blur to the background. So we have a bunch of different cool features inside of here that a lot of you probably have never used before if you haven't had a Google device, and they're going to be showing you how to use them in here. And we're going to go ahead and go over this in a full review video, but great to see all those new features in here. We have night sight and we have panorama on here as well. I just want to go ahead and take a little quick snapshot just to see how this camera fares in good lighting. Yeah, so it's a Pixel device. You guys are going to get some true color tones right here. It's going to look essentially the same as it looks in real life right here. So beautiful colors, not super washed out, not super over contrasty or whatever. Extremely clear. And of course, that telephoto camera, that 5x zoom, is going to be a fun thing to use later on. But we're going to do a whole video on the camera in another video to come. This is merely the unboxing. The other things I do want to go ahead and check out, though, are going to be the video on this, watching YouTube videos, and of course, testing out the speakers on here because I heard good things from them so far. Also, really quick, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on here, so it's extremely quick and accurate. And the haptic feedback, for whatever reason, has always been my favorite on Pixel devices, and there's no difference with the Pixel 10. Haptic feedback is strong, firm, and feels great. Feels really good. Samsung cannot touch this haptic feedback. I do not know what they do, but the motor that they put inside of here is excellent. Keep it up. Keep it up, Google. Absolutely love that. And going on the YouTube application right here, of course, we can do upscaled 2160p and HDR. So this is HDR compatible. So any of the streaming services or YouTube videos that you watch that have HDR, this is going to be compatible with them. But let's go ahead and see how this looks. Beautiful AMOLED display in here, very clear, beautiful that it uses HDR. The colors look rich, they look nice. Very nice display for a sub $800 phone. Excellent stuff right here. Now that we took a look at the display, let's go ahead and take a look at the stereo speakers on here and see how they sound. So speakers sound rich and clear. Nice bass on this device as well. I really have no complaints about this speaker. Sounds great. So yeah, guys, that was my unboxing and first impressions on the Google Pixel 10. This phone has a lot to offer, especially for that $799 price tag. We got the brand new Tensor G5 inside of here. Got 12 gigabytes of RAM, 5,000 milliamp battery. One of the best-in-class cameras for the price tag of $799. Of course, Android 16 out of the box, 7 major operating system updates, a beautiful and premium feeling phone with some great upgrades coming from the Pixel 9. If any of you are thinking about switching over to the Google ecosystem, this is definitely a good device to start with. So solid device so far. Of course, full review and many other videos are coming on the Google Pixel 10 very soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm very much enjoying this phone so far, and I think this is going to be my new daily driver. But if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.